Y'all, I ordered another Nuuly clothing subscription box. It's kind of like a little tote bag that it comes in. If you're not familiar, Nuuly is a refurbished, used, thrifted type clothing subscription box. So I picked the 6-item box. It was like $100, and I even found a random discount code online and used. But how it works is you wear the items for a month and then you send them back, and then the next month you pick new items. Now, I've heard horror stories about people picking like the most gorgeous outfits and Nuuly not having it in stock and sending something else. I am proud to report back that I was able to get every single item that I requested. I'm a plus size 16-18, so I picked everything based on my size and measurements, but I also went through the reviews where people would leave pictures, and I tried to find people similar in height at the very least. It was hard to find people like plus size people, but I did my very best picking these items. Have I already looked at them and tried them on? Yes, but I thought it would be fun to show you what I picked out. We'll try it on together, and then if things work, I wanted to do a month with Nuuly, like at the end of the month, show you how I styled each piece, though that's not this video. This is just showing you what's in my box. So I will link, if you're interested in signing up for Nuuly, I'll link it in the description box down below. Also, it is so dang hot in this room, but it's freezing outside. I think it's because I slept with the door closed and there's a ton of sunlight. So I had the fan on getting ready, but if you see me glistening, just know it's warm in here. I think I'm most excited about this jacket. We're getting a bit of a cold front coming in soon. Brand is NVLT in a size 2X. It's this houndstooth, slight corduroy back collar jacket. I don't see in this very moment on my little shipped order what the regular price is, but I'm pretty sure with Nuuly, if you like something, you can buy it for a cheaper amount because again, the items are used, but look how cute this is. This is the most perfect fit. I do find that there's slight wear on it, but I wouldn't call it bad condition. I would still probably consider this to be great condition, which is nice if I wanted to keep it. I'm just wearing my own jeans and a top. I'm not sure how I want to style this one yet. I did that backwards. I should have zipped it first. There we go. Close the little zipper flap. This is adorable. It's such a nice quality, like it feels like a high quality jacket. I love that this corduroy bit, there you go, is around the neck and the back, and then when you flip the collar under or over, you've got the matching black corduroy. But if you wanted to be like fashionable and wear it up like oh, it's super chilly, put your hair in it and wear it out. I love that it's this plaid detail. What is that button? Maybe if you wanted to button it down. I don't feel a button loop in this moment. 2X, absolutely perfect. The pockets are puckered slightly here, but I think that's just, I can steam it and get that to go away. This feels and smells like it was like laundered at a laundromat, and I appreciate that. This might be one of the pieces that I keep. I just think it's so cool. I don't have a need for jackets often where I live, but I feel like this is such a nice staple. First off, I need to see how much it is, like the cheaper price, because it is used. It's kind of giving like a rider, horse rider type vibes. Like, is it cute with jeans? Yes, but I feel like it's a dress up jacket, like a nicer, more like trendy, like, oh, I'm just so cool in my new jacket outfit. I feel like you're a little bit high. Okay, so first piece, I absolutely love. Hear me out. This one is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but a while back, I went into Anthropologie and did a little try on haul and tried on the dress version of this shirt. Now, I tried it on in straight sizes and it didn't quite work for me, so I didn't buy it. So when I saw this like button up version of it, I wanted to try. Brand is Maeve. I'm pretty sure that's how y'all told me to say it though. I call it Maeve, only because when I was younger, we had a cat named Maeve and it was spelled the same way. This is in a size 1X. It needs a good steam, and I do feel like it's probably slightly shrunken from just wash and wear and dry over time. I just cuffed these sleeves up just a little bit. What I love about it is the swan print. Well, one of the things that I love about it, I think this is so cool and just different. And that's what I kind of went for with the box. Like, let me pick things that are sort of one-time wear, like statement type pieces, because I'm not, if it was a regular white button-up, I could buy one because I would wear it all the time, but something like this I probably wouldn't wear all the time. So that's what I tried to focus on. And I'm tucking the swan side so that you can see the words on the left side. This is my left over here. Okay, but listen, This is so fun, and I feel like it's a good play on your basic button up, but it's so unique. Piece number 2 I do like. I will wear this month. Will I be purchasing it? Probably not. I think it's a fun one-time wear type piece. Before I change, I didn't show you what it looks like buttoned all the way down. As I'm standing here buttoning it, I think, how adorable would this be with black linen pants and sandals, like a beachy type vibe? Flat White is the brand of this neck sweater in a size 2X. I liked the layered look, so it's all one piece, but you've got the extra fabric at the bottom. I liked the sleeve with the little slit appearance of it. I mean, it is slit, but it's like all made together. I liked that, and then I loved around the neck. So it looks like you're wearing an undershirt. You're just like cool girl, you know, casual, cool. I will say, this one has tons of pilling. I don't know if you can tell in this light, but it's very worn. I would say this one is fair condition. I would say bad is the bottom, fair, good, great, new. But I think as a one-time wear, it's fine. I do find that it's a little bit shorter than it appeared on the model. And again, I feel like that could attribute to the fact that it's been worn, washed, and dried. But the middle and the arms and everything, like the style of it, I think is meant to be a more roomy, oversized type fit. 2X is a little bit larger than my normal size. I'd usually go for extra large, extra large, or 1X. But again, I based my picks on my measurements, the size chart, and the reviews. I don't love it. I don't hate it. Will I wear it? Absolutely, because I paid for the box for the month, so I will be wearing it. My plan was, let me show you. How cute would this outfit have been? Another Maeve piece. These are in a size 1X. Do I even need to say that I love the animal print? But I liked the stripe down the side. So they're track pant style, slight satiny material, though they've been like washed and worn a lot, so they're not quite as soft. I just thought these could be so cool with this sweater if everything was a little bit roomy. Throw on some sneakers and a hat, kind of like the model in the picture, and you've just got an easy, effortless looking outfit. I will put these on for you and we'll kind of talk about why they won't work. Number 1, they're too small, but number 2, which I feel like is the obvious, is why are they so short? I went back and looked through the reviews, like the picture reviews that people post, which I appreciate y'all so much. And I tried to find someone who was my height wearing them. I could only get up to 5'7", but they were long, like long how they were supposed to be. And when I went back through the listing to the plus size model, because they'll share straight size models and plus size models, and even the plus size models had it pulled up a little bit more like belly button height, and they were still long enough, if not a little bit too long, and those models are at least 5'9", 5'10". So I just think these maybe have been dried a few too many times. I would call the condition borderline bad and fair. So these, I can't even wear them. I don't know if Nuuly does anything, like offers any additional sizes, or if this is what you got and it doesn't work, sorry, you can try again next month. I'm not really sure about that. I do own a pair of animal print pants already that I didn't even remember as I ordered these, so I can still get away with styling the outfit how I want. I just won't get to wear the track style pants. You know what's funny too is out of everything that I picked, I for sure thought these would work. They're a drawstring, elastic waist, they're baggy. Like I really thought, okay, if nothing else fits, at least I'll have a really cute pair of pants to wear, and they don't work. Anthropologie brand in a size 16. Tell me why. I knew it was super low cut because obviously it's low cut on the model that's wearing it, but it didn't register in my brain. So just disregard the bra. I don't know what I would do in this situation. I feel like probably just do pasties or something. I do think it's slightly small as well, like it's a little bit snug here. My plan was to wear this with black cowboy boots to a fancy dinner we have coming up. It's just the 2 of us, so it's not a work event or anything like that. So I think the low cut is fine. I just need to figure out the situation there. Also, can I in fact sit down and have a meal? You know what? Probably. The longer that I wear it, it doesn't feel as snug as it did the first time I put it on. But I see these Anthropologie velvet dresses all over their website, and I love them. I think they're so pretty. They have so many different colors, like solid colors, and then they do the printed colors. It's such a nice quality dress. I love the pockets. So will I make it work? I guess you'll have to wait to find out. I'll have to wait to find out too if I end up wearing it. That dinner is in a couple of weekends, so we'll see if I end up wearing it. Also, Nuuly offers clothing where the price point is a little bit higher. So this dress, I think on the Anthropologie website, or this style dress, is $200 or $300. And again, I probably am not gonna wear it that often. So the fact that I can get it, wear it once, I really like that. I didn't even realize it has this slit in the front. It is lined as well. And then buttons, though they're faux buttons, they don't actually function. But starting here, and they go all the way down. Okay, you know, the longer I wear it, I don't find that it's too small. So I'll probably wear it to the dinner once I figure out this situation. And item number 6 may also look a little bit familiar. I'm pretty sure it was the same video where I tried on the swan dress that I tried this on. I'm obsessed with this. Not sure of the brand, hold on. Exquise is the brand in a size extra large. I love this. I love the cinch in the waist, the brown polka dot, there's pockets. It's very like cupcake shape feeling. Also the tie at the neck I think is adorable. I will be wearing this. I have a pair of burgundy maroonish kitten heels and I feel like that is the perfect heel for this. Is it a little bit short? Absolutely. I feel like that was a complaint I had when I tried it on in store. Well, also that it was a little bit pricey. I own Thigh Society undergarment bike shorts, if you will, and I wore them all over Italy, so I'll link them down below for you. That's what I would wear under this. They're a skin tone color and they're thin so they don't add bulk to the outfit. I just can't get over how cute this is, like the pleating in the back, the slight bat wing sleeve, there's elastic here in the middle, how it flares out. This could be cute for my little date night. Actually, I'm going out of town with my sister pretty soon and we have themed things. You'll see that video. She's actually gonna vlog, I'm vlogging, so you'll see that soon. But I feel like this could work for one of the themed type dinners that we have. Adorable. 10 out of 10. Oh, this condition I would say is probably good. I mean, it's slightly faded, so good warrants that. The last dress, the velvet one, I would call good as well. I don't want to take this one off. Like this, I love this. I loved it in that video too when I did the Anthropologie like in-store try on. Again, it's just like hard to justify the price because I'm not gonna wear it that often. So I feel like Nuuly is the way to go. I do feel like I slightly learned my lesson in this video that I have to take into account that things have been worn and laundered. So whereas this is a size extra large, fits a little bit more snug than the extra large in store. So I might need to size up on some things, like especially the animal print pants, they didn't even work at all. So I need to go in and like leave reviews and pictures and stuff for other people that are shopping, just so they can get a better idea of what would work for them and hopefully help them get the proper size. Is this your favorite piece? Be honest. Because I think this is so cute. Okay, that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I will leave a link if you're interested in signing up for Nuuly down below. I did the 6-item deal. I think you can do less than that if you wanted to, and I know for sure you can add more items and they'll just charge you a little bit extra per item. I love this. Thank you for watching again. How many times have I said that? I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.